Deleting a YouTube channel on a computer is a breeze, but how do you do it from an Android phone? If you don't have a laptop and only use your phone, you're probably wondering exactly how to get it done. Don't sweat it. It's actually pretty simple. Let me show you how. First, open up Google Chrome. I recommend Chrome because your Google account is usually already synced up, which makes things a lot smoother. Head over to linktoyoutube.com, then tap the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner and toggle on Desktop Site. Once that's loaded, you can either tap the burger menu, the 3 horizontal lines, in the top left, or just tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, hit Settings. On the Settings page, look for Advanced Settings. Once you tap that, a bunch of customizable options will pop up on the right side. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see the Delete Channel button. When you tap it, a prompt will ask if you're sure you want to go through with it. If you're ready, tap Review in Google Account. You'll then be asked to enter your Gmail password for security. Just hit Next to confirm. Next, you'll have 2 choices. You can either just hide your channel or delete it and all its content permanently. We're going with the permanent delete here. A drop-down will appear with a few checkboxes, asking what exactly you want to remove. For this example, I'm checking both boxes. Tap Delete My Content, and as a final security step, you'll need to type in the email address associated with the channel. Hit Delete My Content one last time to confirm, and that's it. That is how you delete a YouTube channel right from your Android phone. I'll see you in the next tutorial.